Welcome to our guide on the best shortwave radios of 2024. In this video, we'll explore 3 top contenders: the Sihuadon R108 shortwave AM/FM radio by Radiwow, the Kaito KA500IP radio, and the Tecsun PL880 longwave and shortwave radio. Discover their features, performance, and which one suits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 3. The Sihuadon R108 shortwave AM/FM radio by Radiwow is a compact and versatile portable radio designed to enhance your listening experience wherever you go. Available in an elegant gray color, this radio boasts a sleek and minimalist design that fits comfortably in your pocket, making it perfect for entertainment or study on the move. With dimensions of 5-inch length by 1 width by 3 height, its small size and lightweight construction ensure effortless portability for travel or outdoor adventures. Featuring FM stereo LWMW/SW airband DSP reception with band ATS, this radio offers a wide range of listening options. With 500 preset station memories, alarm clock functionality, sleep timer, and temperature display, the Sihuadon R108 provides convenience and versatility to suit your needs. Included with the radio are essential accessories such as a USB charging cable, external FM/SW antenna, R108 English manual, BL5C rechargeable battery, and timely customer service, ensuring a hassle-free experience from setup to operation. The radio delivers high-quality sound output across all broadcasts, including voice and music, thanks to its premium materials and components. The backlit LCD screen enhances usability, providing clear visibility even in low-light conditions or at night. In summary, the Sihuadon R108 shortwave AM/FM radio offers a combination of portability, functionality, and superior sound quality. Whether you're listening to music, catching up on news, or tuning into your favorite radio programs, this radio is an excellent companion for users seeking convenience and performance in a compact package. Number 2. The Kaito KA500IP Voyager Solar or Dynamo AM/FM or SW NOAA weather radio is a comprehensive emergency preparedness tool designed to keep you informed and connected in any situation. Presented in a vibrant red color, this radio stands out as a reliable companion for both indoor and outdoor adventures. What sets the KA500IP apart is its versatile power options. It can be powered via AC, batteries, hand crank, solar energy, or even through a computer, ensuring that you have multiple sources of energy to rely on when traditional power sources are unavailable. Equipped with AM, FM, or shortwave radio capabilities and 7 preset NOAA weather channels with alerts, this radio ensures that you stay updated on weather forecasts and emergency announcements. The inclusion of a telescopic antenna further enhances signal reception, allowing you to tune into stations with clarity. The KA500IP features a 180-degree adjustable solar panel, maximizing its exposure to sunlight for efficient charging. Additionally, it boasts a 5 LED reading lamp and a backlit frequency display, providing illumination and easy navigation in low-light conditions. With dimensions of 8.3-inch length by 2.3 width by 5.3 height and weighing 1.8 pounds, the KA500IP strikes a balance between portability and functionality, making it suitable for both indoor use and outdoor excursions. In conclusion, the Kaito KA500IP Voyager Solar or Dynamo AM/FM or SW NOAA weather radio is a reliable and versatile companion for emergency situations and outdoor activities. Its multi-power options, comprehensive radio capabilities, and thoughtful design features make it a valuable addition to any emergency preparedness kit or adventure gear collection. Number 1. The Tecsun PL880 Portable Digital PLL Dual Conversion Radio is a powerhouse device that offers comprehensive coverage of AM/FM, longwave, and shortwave bands with single sideband reception. Presented in a sleek silver color, this radio combines portability with exceptional performance, making it an ideal companion for both indoor and outdoor listening experiences. One of the standout features of the PL880 is its PLL synthesized digital dual conversion receiver, which delivers unparalleled sensitivity and selectivity. This ensures that you can pick up even the faintest signals with clarity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite stations with minimal interference. The radio's 4 and 5 selectable bandwidth filters on AM and SSB respectively, along with its single sideband receiver with 10 Hz tuning step, provide enhanced customization and precision in tuning, allowing you to fine-tune your listening experience to your preferences. Additionally, the PL880 offers practical features such as a 24-hour alarm clock and a sleep timer adjustable from 0 to 120 minutes, adding convenience and versatility to its functionality. Powered by a single 18,650 Li-ion rechargeable battery with a built-in charger battery included, the PL880 offers long-lasting performance and the flexibility to recharge whenever needed. With dimensions of 7.5-inch length by 1.25 width by 4.5 height and a weight of 520 grams, it strikes a balance between portability and functionality, making it suitable for travel and everyday use. In conclusion, the Tecsun PL880 portable digital PLL radio is a versatile and reliable device that offers exceptional performance across various radio bands. Its advanced features, compact design, and rechargeable battery make it a valuable addition to any radio enthusiast's collection.